My name is Regina Garson. Welcome to my YouTube channel show. Today I'm going to be talking about a Dollar Tree haul. Yep, I love Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree beauty haul actually. And it happened in a roundabout kind of way, so I'm going to start there. I guess in different times of our life we have different needs as far as beauty needs and that kind of thing. And anybody that knows me, a few years back I had an odd kind of accident. Actually, it was a freak accident, and I spent a lot of time in the hospital. I spent a lot of time bedridden. I spent a lot of time recovering and finally starting to live life again. So 6 years later, and now I'm doing these videos, and I've been doing all these unboxing videos and the meal subscription boxes and cooking up a storm. But in the meantime, I've been checking out what everybody else is doing, and I'm looking at all these little blogger divas, and I'm going, oh my, I have not. A lot of my makeup has been sitting there since before the accident 6 years ago and counting. So I was going, well, maybe I might think about getting with a decade and other things, and not getting real personal, but everybody deals with stuff sooner or later. And after I went through everything in the hospital and I was on these meds, then I had a lot of my hair fell out. But anyway, it's growing back. You can see I have lots of hair, but in the meantime, that was getting scraggly too. And the other day I was looking at one of those videos, and I'm going, oh my, and I'm on camera, and what am I thinking? So just because today I had time I could get out and about, I went and got my hair done. So first things first, I'm going to give a shout out to Hillary at April and Company. If you happen to be in Huntsville, Alabama, Hillary at April and Company on Max Luther. This is her card. Hillary rescued my hair that was all kinds of different lengths. And by the time it was done, I was going, I really should have taken a before picture. But anybody that had looked at some of the videos, they've seen the back of my head and go, oh my. So what was I thinking? So I was thinking it's time to clean things up a little bit. So okay, so I get my hair done, and I'm all happy, and then I'm going like, well, I've been looking at all these videos, and everybody's been talking about these subscription boxes and these beauty boxes and their beauty routines, and I'm going, oh my, and I'm looking at my dusty makeup, and I was thinking it sure would be fun to update my look a little bit too. But then I'm going, well, I am still practical, and I am still me, and not that I don't like the good stuff, but if I need something, chances are I'm going to head out to the Dollar Tree or a thrift store first, and if I can get what I can need there, then I'll do that, and then whatever I can't get, then I'll have to spend some more. But anyway, so I'm going, okay, we're going to start with the Dollar Tree, because I've been looking at these subscription boxes and what the people are getting and all the new beauty routines everybody's doing. So I said, okay, we're going to start with Dollar Tree, because I already know they've got some good stuff, and you never, ever know what you're going to find there. So this is my Dollar Tree beauty haul. Yes. Okay. And a lot of these things are things that I've been seeing in the, everybody's been talking about these things. I said, well, I'm going to try it too. Okay. The first, and I like lip balm is my go-to. All summer long, I got Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula SPF 15 for summertime. That was my first treasure. And actually, I'm tempted to open it and see what it's like exactly. Because the other thing about these things, the thing I like about the Dollar Tree, and really bothers me about some of the other places, is you go and you pick up this stuff and you go, why in the world did I spend my money on this? But for $1, it's a lot. It's not quite such a big issue. Yeah, it does have a coconut oil smell to it. Anyway, I like that. I knew I'd like that. I like my lip balm anyway. Okay, what else? Okay, it's summertime. I got my, well, it's not summer. It feels like summer here, but I got my yearly pair of flip-flops, $1. If they last, cool. If they don't last, cool. I just spent $1. Okay, another they have a lot of beauty brushes there, and I did get a new one of those. They had a lot of selection, but this one, actually, this one feels real nice, but it looks like the old-fashioned shaving brushes that like my daddy used to use. But anyway, it's a makeup brush. It's a Kabuki cosmetic brush. Sassy and Chic is the label. I'm not doing a good job of getting that in. Maybe it's too blurred. Okay, that's what I got. Anyway, that's a nice beauty brush, and these things are pricey somewhere else. So $1, I'm happy with that. Okay, here's another little thing. It's like everybody's talking about these little blender things. Most of the time I just use a washcloth when I'm blending my foundation in, but they're $1 at the Dollar Tree, so I got that. That's also, the label on that's also Sassy and Chic. Okay, it's kind of pushy. Okay, what else did I get? Okay, I got LA Colors lip gloss. I like lip glosses. This one is vitamin E enriched. Yeah, I like my summer lip glosses too. Let's see. Oh, it's very pretty. Now they had this in different colors. It's very light colored. Actually, I was thinking though, this is a little bit stickier than I like. I may not like it as much as I think when I try it on my lips. But the actually it has a tangerine flavor to it, so that's kind of nice. Okay, so I got lip gloss. It's like it has one of those tacky feels to it, so I'm not so certain that I'm gonna like this. Okay, this is one thing that I use. I got I have not tried this brand, so I don't know. It's a diamond nail hardener, miracle nail, and I figured it's worth a try. I have soft nails, and I don't even want to think about how much I've spent on nail hardeners at different times and not been real happy with it. So if this works, I will be happy. If it doesn't work, I have spent many times more for other nail hardeners. It seems like that's one of those products that's hit or miss if it's going to be any good. Okay, what else? Okay, summertime nail polish, LA Colors. I have not tried this brand. Like I said, I'm just checking out the stuff at Dollar Tree. I like the color. They had lots of colors to choose from. Most of the time in the past I've used Revlon nail polishes. Like that's what I had to have. So I said, well, you know, I'm going to branch out a little bit. I'm going to see what they have at Dollar Tree and see if it's any good. I've heard a lot of people talking about their beauty products. Okay. I got a few other odds and ends. This is more in the health and grooming, but Dollar Tree is my go-to for toothpaste. My favorite toothpaste, $1. It generally costs about $4 at the grocery store. It's like why pay $4 when you can get it for $1? So when I always stock it up when I'm at the Dollar Tree when I make a trip out there. Okay, that's all for beauty haul. I did pick up a couple other things. This, they say this is the world's strongest premium grade all natural catnip. Actually, when the local Dollar Tree ran out of this stuff, I was just going, oh no, oh no. This is actually my cat's favorite catnip. And this is another one of those things I have spent many times more money on a product by the same name, catnip, that the cats don't like it all, but they love this. This is their favorite catnip. And of course, one more thing for the cats, just a little toy. Also $1. They'll probably play with it for a couple hours and then they'll forget about it, but it makes my little critters happy. And if they're happy, I'm happy. And that's about it for my Dollar Tree beauty haul. Until next time, if you like my video, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of my stuff, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And I'll talk to you next time.